Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Liza if you're new around here, and today's video is going to be an Ikea haul. I went to Ikea the other day with Mark and I actually picked up quite a few bits. I didn't expect to pick them up, but I picked them up and I really love them, so I thought I would share them with you today. So if you want to see what I picked up from Ikea, just keep watching. Okay, so my intentions were to get a couple of bits for the baby's room because I'm going to be decorating his nursery very soon, and there were quite a few things I had in my mind that I, wanted to get, but I didn't know where I was going to get them from. And when I went in Ikea, they were all in there, so I'm going to show you what I got. So first of all, I picked up a couple of plant pots, and these are the Prideaux plant pots, and they just look like this. In the baby's bedroom, we're going for kind of like a botanical, kind of boho, Scandi theme, I guess. I don't really know how to explain it. There's going to be like a lot of woods, textures, wicker, greenery, things like that. And when I saw these, I thought they would be absolutely perfect. I also bought a couple of plants for them. So I went for this one here, which is the Vegka plant to go in there. I don't know if I'm going to keep these exact plants, but I wanted something to go in them for now, so I went for the Vegka plant, which just looks like that. And then I also went for this one, which is the, they're both Vegka. Oh, they're both Vegka plants, but I don't know. Maybe they're in the same range, I'm not really sure. But anyway, I went for this one, which is like a hanging one. I have got a shelf that's going to go up in his room, so I thought that could hang off the shelf quite nicely and look quite nice. So yeah, I went for those two plants. I did pick this plant up, and this was £40, and it's one of these, like, is it a cheese plant, I think it's called? Can't really see. But basically it's a big plant for the bedroom, and I've been wanting a nice plant to go in his bedroom. Basically it's going to go in like the corner of his room, because I've got like a nice dresser that's going to be going in there, and I thought it would probably fit right next to the dresser, and I'm going to put it in like a nice basket kind of pot, I guess, which is here actually. They had these plants styled in these baskets, and I thought it looked so cool. I've already got one of these baskets actually. I've got a white one downstairs with my blossom tree in it, and it looks really lovely. So I got one of these, which is a little bit smaller. This was £9, and this is the Fladis basket. It's 25 centimetres like diameter, and I thought that would look really cool with the plant inside. The only thing is, you can obviously see the plant pot inside because it's still quite big, so I don't know whether I might put something inside it to kind of disguise that, or if it's not going to matter too much the way I position it. So we'll have to wait and see how I style that, but I'm really happy with those two purchases, and those are the two things that I really wanted to get, as well as a light fitting. And I got this light fitting, which is gorgeous. So Ikea have so many great light fittings, but these are amazing. They've got loads of them at the minute. I don't know if you're going to be able to see. This is called the Industriel, and it looks like this here. And basically, again, it is that kind of like wicker kind of look and vibe. They had about 4 or 5 different lights. This one's a lot flatter. What I'll do is I'll put a picture up so you can see what it looks like, but this one's a lot like more squat, because the bedroom, the lights come down quite low. The ceilings are quite low, so I couldn't go for anything too big or too long, because you would hit your head on it every time you go in there. So I'm going to get Mark to put that up later, and yeah, I think it's going to look really lovely. And again, it's just going with that theme of the room. It's going to look really nice. I'm excited for that. That one was £25, but if you're part of like the Ikea family, I think it was £19. I then grabbed this blanket, which was I think £18, and it's the Capasta blanket. It's 130 times 170 centimetres, and again, it's just got that kind of boho feel to it. It's cream and baby blue, and I just thought this would look really lovely draped over the baby's cot, just more for show rather than using it for him. I just thought it would look really nice. It kind of feels a bit linen-y, I guess, a little bit like a linen cotton throw, and I just thought it would look really cool in his bedroom. So I'm really excited about that. I'm really glad I got it actually, because I was looking at it and I was like, oh, shall I get that one, or should I just go for like a typical baby blue blanket? But this one is so much cooler, and I think it's going to look really lovely in his bedroom. I did pick up some containers as well for our kitchen, just to organise my pantry a little bit. So I went for these two. These are the smaller ones, so they've got they're quite short, and I was thinking I could use these for rice or pasta, anything like that. And then I got the taller one, which I thought would be quite good for cereal. I do need to get a few more of these, but I thought I would just give it a try first, see if I like it, and then I can buy some more if I need to. I picked up a couple of bits for the boys while we were there, because when in Ikea and you go in the kids section, you have to go through the section, and I thought, oh, it'd be nice to just get them a little something. So I picked this up for Renzo, and this is like a little fruit basket, and I thought it was so cute because whenever we go to soft play at the moment, there's like this little kitchen at the soft play, and Renzo is always playing with the food and like the kitcheny bits, and I just thought that was so cute, and he hasn't actually got anything like that at home, so I thought I'd pick him up this little fruit basket so he can play with that. And then again, I got this for Vinny and Renzo actually. My friend Katie had something like this the other day on Instagram, Katie from Mummy Daddy Me, and her little boy, I think her little boy Ren was playing with this, and I thought it was so good. Basically it's like little wooden blocks and like little circles with some string, and your little one can just literally like thread the blocks through, and I thought Renzo would actually really enjoy this because he loves to just sit down and concentrate on things, and I just thought it would be perfect for him, although Vinny can also play with it as well. So this is for both of them, and it's the Lustig, I think it's called. There's loads of little pieces in there. They can even paint the blocks if they want to, but I just thought this would be a really nice thing to kind of keep them quiet for a little bit and to keep them occupied, so went for that one. And then last but not least, I got a pizza cutter for the pizzas that we eat. I also thought it would be handy to like cut up sandwiches, little things like that, or like toasties and things. So we've got a little pizza cutter, and then 2 packs of dimes because I'm obsessed with dime bars at the moment. I absolutely love them. Every time I go to Ikea, I have to buy them. I usually just buy the 1 pack, and Mark was like, why don't you buy 2? I was like, yeah, why not? So I got 2 packs. So that is everything I got from Ikea. We spent, let me see, I've actually got the bill here. We spent £148. The majority of that went on the plant, which was £40, and the light, which was £25. And everything else was kind of a lot cheaper. I mean, the basket, oh, the basket was actually £12. I thought it was 9, but it was 12. Maybe I read the family price, not too sure. But yeah, that is everything I got from Ikea. I hope you enjoyed this haul. What I'm going to do as well is I'm going to do another Ikea themed video for you coming very soon. It might even be the next video or the video after that, but it's going to be a really good one, so I hope you enjoy that as well. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.